Okay, so let's talk about one other thing real quick. This is sort of a little bit of a confusing issue. A lot of people call in and ask, which website do I go to? Or how do I run the correct app? Well, it's a little tricky only because as we develop software, we can't always get everybody to upgrade at the same time. And we don't want to have situations where some people can't run their app because they didn't upgrade the week we told them to or whatever, and then they're mad because they can't use their FoosFit. So what we decided to do was, in general, FoosFocus has what I call the oldest software. It's the one that's been out the longest, foosfocus.com. And then foosflow.com is usually running some beta version that's the latest upgraded version. So if you've upgraded your devices, like we've said, and we said, hey, you need to be on 1.9 or 2.1 or whatever the version is, that is going to be the latest, which is on foosflow.com. If you're still lingering behind a little bit, then you'll probably need to go to FoosFocus to get your stuff to work correctly. Now, over time, we're going to force people, if you haven't upgraded, we're just going to move from FoosFlow to FoosFocus, and that's just what'll have to happen. And then the next beta version coming out on FoosFlow will be that version. So, when the other thing is that if you look at the screen here on the top, you have to be running in secure mode or progressive web apps won't run. So if you just type www.foosflow.com, your app is not going to run. It will come up and it will look like it's trying to run, but it's not going to run correctly. So make sure, I'm going to show you here, you type HTTPS : 2/, and then you see where it says foosflow.com like there, then hit enter. Okay. And that is going to pull up the app as you see. Give it a second. There it goes. It's going to pull the app up and it's going to be in secure mode and it should work. Now, if you've logged in within so many hours or days, as you can see, you're still logged in, right? So it'll automatically try to relog you in if you've been logged in. Otherwise, you may have to log in again. So anyway, any defense that you created on that version, say if you're on FoosFlow and we move to FoosFocus, we're going to try, that's sort of a point of contention right now. Since the playback allows you to make defenses and the manual allows you to store your favorites, we still haven't worked out that is how do we get things moved easily. So that's still something we're working on, but we're going to try to make sure that everybody's data gets moved correctly and everything's, there goes the dog. That's Apollo. So I don't know if you saw him pass by there. Okay, so that's it. Hope that helps out, and keep watching the videos.